Now introduce how to test printer heat before we print on the product. For example, we need to print on this box. So how we to do before we print? And now we make the table go down. Okay, make a table below than the product like this. Okay. And now we can see here, there's two sensors. This is the heat sensor. When the sensor fill the product, the table will stop automatic. Before we do it, we need to test it. Now like this, we make the table go up, and then we put the box close, block the sensor. You can see now the table already stopped. You can draw already. Okay, the table already stopped. Okay, so it means the sensor works. Now we can put the box on the table and click up. Okay, click up. Okay, now it stopped automatic. You can see it's already stopped automatic. So now the print heat is perfect. Now we make the car to left on the product top. Okay, now we can check the print heat product to the head surface is around 2 mm. So the distance is perfect. Now we make the car back home. Okay, so this head is a good distance.